Hi, to activate 5G internet on the iPhone 13, you will need to go in the settings first. Here, select the cellular tab and enable cellular data just by tapping on the switcher. Now go in the data options and here in the voice and data, switch from the LTE to one of these two options, 5G auto or 5G on. The first one uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life, and the second option uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. So I'm gonna select the first option, and now to save the changes, it is enough to simply go back like that. So if you cannot see this tab, then we can go in the general. Here, select the software and make sure you have the latest update version installed, because usually updates include fixing old issues and adding new features. So just select update now and update your device. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.